How to create a listing. First, navigate to the Listings tab. From here, there are two ways to create a listing. Choose the category that fits your listing and click Add a new listing. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Manage My Listings screen. From here, select the category that fits your listing and click Add. Now you can fill out the details of your listing. These fields will be slightly different for classified property and business listings. Using classified listings as an example, you'll fill out your listing category, name, description, date when your listing will be posted, price, phone number, and email. Click Submit and your listing is ready to be posted on your chosen date. You can click Edit Listing to make changes, and Submit to save them. If you want to add photos to your listing, scroll down and select Add Images. You can drop or paste any files directly into this field or browse your computer. Once you have your images here, click to upload them. You can close the window once the upload is complete. Click to add or edit a caption for your image. And select OK to save it. If you want to remove an image, click to delete it. You can navigate back to your listing pages by selecting Manage My Listings and clicking on the title name of the specific listing. If you want to remove your listing, click to delete it.